Yeah, good day everyone. I go by the name Skyward. You can see this video. I am an affiliate marketing coach and I train people on how to make money online. Yeah, presently I'm still teaching people on how to make money on ClickBank, and so as you can see, this is really giving me great sales. So to earn big money like this, contact me on my Gmail at skyward.gmail.com. But first, watch my video to see what I have for you. Thank you.
Talking about affiliate marketing, it's all about marketing a particular product or selling a particular product for a company and getting commission for each product to sell. And before you can be a successful affiliate marketer, there are many things to consider, and I'm going to take you through what you need to consider. Once again, I go by the name Skyward and I train people on how to make money online. If you are watching this video, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos on how to make money online. So I'll be explaining how I'll be making millions on ClickBank affiliate marketing and the techniques on how to make big money on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Yes, there are two methods by which you can get traffic to your affiliate platforms. We have the free traffic system and the paid traffic system. The paid traffic system include the Facebook ads, solo ads, YouTube ads, and paying freelancers to get traffic to your affiliate platforms for you to get sales. And the free traffic system include other methods like the one I want to show you today. I have a software which I developed myself and it's up for sale now, which has been giving me excellent results. My software works by gathering organic leads online from search engines and promoting your affiliate platforms or link to these organic leads for you to get commission. Yes, and with my software I'm going to get daily sales. Yes, you are going to be making sales every day because it's going to promote your affiliate link to thousands of organic traffics online. And with the method which is in my video course, there's a high guarantee that you're going to make daily sales. Yes, because there are some techniques and methods which you don't need to ignore, which when you follow the steps which are in my video course, yes, I guarantee that you're going to have big sales like the one you can see on the screen. Yes, this is the account of one of my students that got my software and video course and is doing excellently fine, as you can see on the screen. This is an excellent result. Even when I started affiliate marketing, I couldn't have this kind of results, but just getting my software and video course and getting my guidance on the affiliate marketing business is earning excellently well. So to get my software and video course today and start earning big on any of your affiliate marketing platform, contact me today on my Gmail at skyward07@gmail.com or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skyward07@gmail.com or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen to get my software and video course today on any of your affiliate marketing platform. And remember, when you get my software and video course, I'm going to create an account for you, a ClickBank account. I'm going to create a ClickBank account and a sales page for the product which you are going to market. Because there are some countries that have restriction on ClickBank, not every country can open a ClickBank account, but don't mind where you come from. When you get my software and video course, I'm going to create a ClickBank account for you and you're going to start making money the same day. Yes, because after creating a ClickBank account, I'm going to create a sales page for the product you are going to be selling and you're going to be promoting it directly with my software, and from that day or the following day you start earning money. So contact me today on my Gmail at skyward07@gmail.com or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen to start earning today. Once again, I go by the name Skyward and I train people now to make money online. Thank you.